Japanese secret for silky, smooth hair, no chemicals needed. It's an ancient Japanese secret to straighten your hair. With just one application, you will start to see results of smooth hair. Hairstylists don't want you to know this. Firstly, we need white rice. Put 4 tablespoons of rice in a pot. Add 2 cups of water. Cook the rice well till it gets super soft, as you can see. Rice helps to increase hair volume, better hair shine and appearance, stronger follicles, repair to cuticle damage, dandruff prevention and anti-inflammatory effects on the scalp. Then we let it to cool down a bit. After that, we put the rice in the blender and we blend it well until it becomes like a creamy texture. Then we put the creamy rice in the pot. Next, we need a tablespoon of cornstarch. Put it in a bowl, then add a half cup of water and mix them good. Add the cornstarch mixture to the pot. Put in low heat for 1 minute while continuously stirring them. Thanks to its hygroscopic properties, cornstarch nourishes the hair by making it softer, shinier, and especially silkier. Then we remove the pot and put it in a bowl to cool down. After that, we add a tablespoon of coconut oil and mix them. Coconut oil is known to treat rough and dry hair. Add a tablespoon of olive oil. You can add any other oil of your choice. How to use it? First, divide your hair into several parts and add the mixture to each part of hair. Apply it from the scalp till the ends of the hair. Then cover your hair with plastic wrap or shower cap. Leave this natural keratin for 1 hour at least, then wash it normally. You can see results since the first treatment.